Welcome to Ms. Huong English class.
Grade 5 Global Success. Unit 10. Our school trip.
Hello, Suri. How was your school trip last weekend?
It was great. We went to
Da Nang.
Did Bom and May go with you?
Yes, they did. We all enjoyed it very much.
Did they go to Bana Hills?
Yes, they did. It was beautiful. Hello, boy. How was your school trip last month?
It was amazing. We went to Ho Chi Minh.
Did Tin and Lucky go with you?
No, they didn't.
Did your class go to
Soi Tian theme park.
Yes, we did. It was wonderful. Suri, how was your school trip last summer?
It was fantastic. We went to Hanoi.
Did Ruby and Zuka go with you?
Yes, they did. We all loved it.
Did they go to Hotei Water Park?
No, they didn't. We went to Hon Kiem Lake. Boy, how was your school trip last year?
It was awesome. We went to Ninh.
Did Ron and Carrot go with you?
Yes, they did. We all had a great time.
Did they go to the Opera House?
No, they didn't. They went to Baidin Pagoda.
Now, your turn. Let's practice speaking with Suri and Boy.
How was your school trip last weekend? Did your friends go with you?
Hello. Now, we read and match. Did you have a good weekend? Where did you go? What did you see? Did your friends go with you? When did you come back?
Great job! Keep practicing these words at home. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.